Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a lemon pepper shrimp scampi. So we're going to, first thing that we want to do is cook our orzo. So we have a pot of boiling salted water here. We're going to cook our orzo according to package instructions, so about 9 to 10 minutes. So we're going to drop that in. We're going to stir in some chopped parsley when it's done and let that cook. We also have a pan heating up to saute our shrimp over medium-high heat, and we're going to melt a little bit of butter. And while that's melting, we're going to work on one of our side dishes. All right, so we thought we'd show you a little bit of a different application for broccoli. What I've done here in the bowl is make a very simple lemon honey vinaigrette, and that just consists of a little bit of honey, your extra virgin olive oil, about the juice of half a lemon, a little bit of lemon zest, some salt, and some pepper. You whisk it all up until it's emulsified, and you have a nice little vinaigrette for any salad. So what we're going to do, you can take broccoli that you've either lightly sauteed, steamed, or blanched, or in this case, we're going to leave it raw. Gets a nice crunch, and all your nutrients are still involved. We've got our florets, which are pretty typical, so we're going to throw those in. Okay, I'm just going to give this a little bit of a toss. What you see here is thinly sliced pieces of the broccoli stem, or the stalk of the broccoli. So it's very tender if you cut it down into nice thin pieces. I just take a vegetable peeler, peel it down, and then cut it up. And it's perfectly good to use in any application where you're using the floret. But this will add some nice crunch to this little raw broccoli accompaniment. So we're going to throw this in, just going to kind of toss it all together and leave this to set and let the flavors develop while we work on our lemon pepper shrimp scampi. That's all nice and mixed up, so it's ready to go. Okay, so now we're ready to begin sauteing our shrimp. Melted our butter down. Gonna saute our shrimp briefly, and we're going to pull them out, add some garlic, a little bit more butter, and then we're going to toss them back in. Alright, so we'll let these saute for just a minute. Our orzo is cooking, our broccoli is already prepared, so this one's coming together pretty quickly. Alright, while our shrimp are sauteing, I am going to season them with a little bit of pepper. Okay, they're about where we need them because they are going to go back in the pan. A couple casualties. Alright, now we're going to melt the remaining bit of butter. Going to add in our minced garlic. To this we're also going to add lemon juice. I'm also going to add a little bit of lemon zest. Get some of that nice essential oil from the lemon zest in our sauce. Add your shrimp back in. Let them finish cooking. Give our orzo a check. quite. I'm going to cover it, give it a few more minutes. Okay, so our shrimp are done. We've set those off of the heat. Our orzo needs to be drained. All right, we're going to add those to a bowl. Stir in some chopped parsley. And if you have a little bit of extra lemon juice left over, you could even squeeze a little bit of that into this. It worked out just fine. I'm going to season it with a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper, and then we'll plate it up and show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.